Ever walk into the bathroom after someone and instantly regret it? Or worse, ever been that someone? We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a super simple, natural way to trap those smells before they escape? And it actually works. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY natural toilet spray that beats anything you've bought at the store. No fake fragrances, no harsh chemicals, just a simple, clean solution that actually stops bathroom smells before they start. This stuff is basically magic in a bottle, and it works by creating a barrier on the surface of the toilet water that traps odors underneath. So when you go number 2, the smell doesn't come up to say hello. It stays sealed down where it belongs. Let's talk ingredients. You only need 4 things: a carrier oil, essential oils, alcohol or witch hazel, and water. That's it. First up, the carrier oil. This is the ingredient that floats on the surface of the water and forms that all-important barrier. The best option? Fractionated coconut oil. It stays liquid, has no scent, and blends well with essential oils. You only need about 2 teaspoons per bottle. Next, essential oils. This is where the magic scent happens. You can mix and match based on your preferences, but here's my favorite blend. 10 drops of lemon, 10 drops of eucalyptus, 10 drops of lavender, and 10 drops of peppermint. That combo smells fresh, clean, and actually neutralizes odors, doesn't just cover them up. You can also experiment with tea tree, orange, rosemary, or cedarwood. You then need something to help the oils mix with water. That's where the alcohol or witch hazel comes in. Alcohol works a bit better. It helps the oils disperse evenly and also acts as a preservative. Use about 1 tablespoon. Finally, distilled water. Just enough to fill the rest of the bottle, usually around 3/4 cup for a 4-ounce spray bottle. So here's the exact recipe. 2 teaspoons of fractionated coconut oil. 40 drops of essential oils total, blend of your choice. 1 tablespoon of alcohol or witch hazel. Distilled water to fill the rest of the bottle. Pour it all into a spray bottle. Shake it up. Done. Before you go, spray 4 or 5 times directly into the toilet bowl on the water, and then do your business. The oil floats and traps everything. No lingering stink. No awkward sorry about the bathroom moments. Now, let's be real, store-bought sprays work the same way, but they're expensive and a lot of them still use synthetic fragrances. This DIY version is cheaper, customizable, and natural. Plus, 1 bottle lasts forever. And if you're someone who likes to save money without sacrificing quality, this spray is a total win. You're spending maybe $1 or $2 to make what would cost $15 or more in stores. And you can refill it over and over. It's a small change that adds up big over time. And let's not forget the bonus. Making it yourself means no mystery ingredients. You're in control. No parabens, no phthalates, no fragrance loopholes. Just simple, natural stuff that does the job without loading your air with chemicals. Want to take it up a notch? Add a few drops of vegetable glycerin to make the scent linger even longer. Or try using a dark glass bottle to help preserve the oils. You can even make a few different scent blends. 1 for morning freshness, 1 for after tacos, 1 for guests. Here are a couple scent ideas to get you started. Citrus fresh, 15 drops orange, 10 drops lemon, 10 drops grapefruit, 5 drops peppermint. Herbal clean, 15 drops eucalyptus, 10 drops rosemary, 10 drops lavender, 5 drops tea tree. Woodsy calm, 15 drops cedarwood, 10 drops sandalwood, 10 drops bergamot, 5 drops patchouli. Keep 1 in every bathroom. Keep a mini one in your bag. You never know when you'll need to do a stealth drop in unfamiliar territory. And the best part, you're not just masking the problem, you're solving it. It's fast, it's easy, it's cheap, and it actually works. So next time nature calls, answer with confidence. No shame, no stank, just spray and slay. If you found this helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe for more no-nonsense DIYs that actually make your life better. See you next time.